Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a favorites list in the Notino app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Notino app. Then let's say you are scrolling through the products, and if you like something, then tap on the product, and below the picture you can see on the right side a heart-shaped icon. Tap on the heart-shaped icon, then you put this item to your favorites. But there is another way. If you are scrolling and you're seeing something on the top right corner of the picture from the product, there is a heart-shaped icon again. Then tapping on it, you are adding it to your favorites. Then on the bottom in the menu bar, you can tap on this heart-shaped icon again. Then here you will see your favorites on the Notino app. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.